In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Shein with credit card. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from browsing to a confirmed purchase on the Shein app using your card smoothly and securely. First, open the Shein app on your mobile device. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so pages load quickly and your payment can process without interruptions. Next, find the product you want. You can search by keyword, browse categories, or tap into curated collections. Take a moment to review the product details, size chart, color options, and customer photos. Checking measurements and reviews now can help you avoid returns later. Choose your size and any other options before moving on. When you're ready, tap Add to Cart. If you need more than one, adjust the quantity right there. You should see a confirmation that the item was added. Go to your cart by tapping the cart icon. Review everything here: item, size, color, quantity, and the total. If you have a coupon or points available in the app, this is a good place to apply them so you see your updated price before paying. Tap Checkout to proceed. On the checkout page, look for the payment method section and select credit/debit card. This tells the app you'll be paying by card rather than a wallet or cash on delivery option. Now, tap Place Order to move to the secure payment screen. Shein may route you to a protected gateway where you'll enter your card information. This is normal and helps keep your data safe. Enter your credit card details carefully: the card number, the name, exactly as it appears on the card, the expiration date, and the security code. If a billing address is requested, make sure it matches what your bank has on file, including the postal or zip code. Small mismatches can cause payment failures. Take a moment to double check everything before continuing. Finally, confirm by tapping Place Order or the equivalent button on the payment page. Your bank may prompt you for a one-time code or an extra security step. Complete that promptly to finalize the payment. Once it goes through, you should see an order confirmation screen, and you'll receive a confirmation notification shortly after. It's a good idea to note or screenshot your order number so you can track the shipment in the app. That's it. You've successfully ordered from Shein with your credit card. If a payment doesn't go through, verify your card details, available balance, and any bank security alerts, then try again. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.